days, the human grows further from themselves. That adolescent spark, the original, authentic self, stifled over years of maintaining, dodging, surviving. But the spark, it's still there. The human worries it may be gone forever. The spark becomes unfamiliar. The human resents itself. The human used to explore, but the spark, it's still there. It can never be gone forever if it's still there. The human is still an artist, and the artist is still a human.